How to whiten teeth at home naturally using a few simple all-natural ingredients. This teeth whitening method is frugal and easy to do. You are sure to get white teeth with this one. Your teeth will look amazing! You will need the following ingredients. Melt the coconut oil into a liquid in a double boiler or microwave. Mix all of the ingredients in a plastic or glass container with a plastic or wooden spoon until the paste reaches a nice consistency. Avoid using metal items because the activated charcoal will draw out the metals in the bowl. You can store the leftover paste in a small glass container for your next use. Instructions: scoop up some of the paste onto your toothbrush and gently brush your teeth for about 1 minute, then whoosh the mixture for another minute in your mouth. Now, rinse your mouth, and rinse well. Next, brush your teeth with normal toothpaste after, to get rid of the leftover residue. Do this for 2 to 3 times max per week for consecutive days, for 1 month and no more, as the mild abrasiveness can cause wear on enamel if done for extended periods. Wait a few months before repeating. Doing this routine about once a season is a good frequency. Final notes: the combination of these ingredients work incredibly well and is completely safe. Activated charcoal removes stains, toxins and plaque from the surface of the teeth through a process called adsorption, where the charcoal sticks to these particles and eliminates them from your mouth. This mixture also strengthens your teeth because of the white clay, which is a natural ingredient that remineralizes tooth enamel and alkalizes your mouth. The essential orange oil, through its mild aroma, helps to eliminate halitosis, which is bad breath, and additionally helps to kill excess bacteria. Also, baby wipes work great to clean spills of the paste on clothing or surfaces. I'd appreciate it if you'd leave us a like on this video.